108. For a fan of the Lancer Evo, one of the major topics of the EVO IX was the abandoning of the Boulay style front fascia for a more conventional style. Internally speaking, many components developed for the EVO IX had already been introduced in advance of the EVO VIII, and did not make a major impression. The engine was additionally equipped with MIVEC in order to give it more torque, but the version introduced here did not vary valve lift as in other previous systems, and only changed the opening phase of the intake side. This improved torque in the low RPM range, and the reasoning for this was mainly due to the Japanese car industry's self-imposed output restriction. With maximum power already topped out at the 276 HP limit, improving torque was the only way to raise engine performance. However, this actually turned out for the better as it made the Lancer Evo easier to handle despite its extreme performance. In the EVO IX, a new GT grade model was also added, positioned between the road car GSR and motorsports base car RS grade models. This GT model combined the magnesium compressor, titanium turbo and 5-speed MT plus mechanical LSD of the RS, with the Bilstein dampers and Brembo brakes of the GSR. The window glass is also the thin lightweight type from the RS, while the equipment and body colors available are the same as the GSR. It was a model that was offered as a homologation model for rally racing. For the suspension, everything including its Bilstein dampers was the same as the EVO VIII Mister, but on the GSR alone, the rear suspension height is lowered by 55mm to slightly change the weight balance in the front and rear. This change improves the stability of the car in high-speed corners,